Almonds are one of the most enriched dry fruits. Their health benefits are universally acknowledged, but are they good for your health? Are they good for a kidney patient? To know the answer, watch this video without a skip. Hello and welcome to our channel Kidney Expert, presented by Karma Ayurveda, where you will get all the information related to kidneys. Today in this video, we will tell you if almonds are good for your health in the state of kidney disease or not. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel Kidney Expert and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. Almonds boost your brains and stimulate your body's energy. Yes, dry fruits have multiple health benefits as they are exceptionally a great source of nutrition. Talking about almonds, almonds are profitable for our health as they are enriched with protein and iron. They carry calcium, magnesium, copper, potassium, phosphorus, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E and zinc. They enhance your energy and stamina by keeping your bones and muscles strong. They help in protecting your body from anemia, heart diseases, high cholesterol, strengthening of the immune system and much more. They carry a high amount of potassium, which is an important nutrient for body mass and makes your bones stronger. Now comes the question, if you as a kidney patient can add almonds to your renal diet or not? Well, there is a no thumb rule or a definite answer to this question. It totally depends on the type of disease, the stage of the disease and the health of the patient. In kidney diseases, there are patients who are strictly advised to avoid potassium in their diet, as potassium, sodium and phosphorus-like electrolytes can impose pressure on the kidneys. When your kidneys are diseased or not well enough, your blood is likely to collect a lot of chemical and fluid impurities in it. It is your kidneys that are responsible to filter your blood and remove all sorts of impurities and toxins from blood and body. When kidneys are healthy, these electrolytes benefit the body and excess is removed by kidneys. But when kidneys are diseased, they start accumulating in your blood. It may affect your kidney and your overall health as well. Almonds are rich in potassium and other important electrolytes, and if you are a kidney patient who is advised to eat less of potassium, you should avoid both these dry fruits. If you are a patient who is suggested to eat potassium, which is mostly in the case of immense weakness, then you may eat 2 almonds or 2 to 3 dates in a day to keep your health and see progress in physical growth. Not more than that. Only a limited amount can be held by kidneys, otherwise they might get pressurized and get adversely affected. The best way to eat almonds is to dip them in water overnight and then remove its covering. This method helps in reducing the excess amount of potassium and other electrolytes from your diet as the water soaks these chemicals. They also carry a small amount of phosphorus, which also needs to be in limit. A limited amount can help you keep your blood circulation and blood sugar levels in control. Despite being so profitable, not all kidney patients are advised to eat almonds, dates and other dry fruits in their renal diet plans. We suggest you to prepare a good renal diet chart for yourself in kidney disease and follow it strictly. Your dietitian may help you with other ways to incorporate these products into your renal diet, that too in the right quantity. Only a well-planned and precise diet can ensure that you eat healthy and do not get affected by reducing essential food items from your diet. We believe diet is the most important part of kidney treatment. Ayurveda, the most ancient science of life, considers diet a prominent part of kidney disorders. We, Karma Ayurveda, are a renowned institution in the medical sector. We believe Ayurveda, the most ancient science of life, has the potential to revive damaged kidneys and maintain the good health of kidneys. Yet it is quite underestimated. Our history of 100% success is evidence of how Ayurveda can do wonders and bring you back to life. Let's watch how Ayurvedic treatment paved the way of new healthy life for many kidney disease patients.
So right now, if you look at the reports, the creatinine level was about 4.6 when she visited us along with her husband over here, right from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Creatinine level was about 4.6 and then it came down to 4.1. 4.1. This report was conducted at Mazumdar Medical Center. This is in, I guess, South India, right?
South India,
Bangalore. And then in another test was conducted consequently, and in this test we can clearly see that the creatinine level has came down from 4.1. Earlier it was 4.6, 4.1, and now 3.6. This was done on 6th of June 2019. As it has been clearly visible in this report. and this was conducted in Columbia, Asia. This is a very big hospital, again I guess in South India, Bangalore. Yes. And again, a day before yesterday, that is today is around 9th of July. This was conducted on 6th of July 2019. The creatinine level was about 2.89. You can clearly see eGFR has increased. Estimated glomerular filtration rate has increased to 22.81. Now, if you look back, creatinine level was 4.6 and it was on an increasing trend. It was increasing gradually. Now it is not increasing and it is also declining. And also the estimated GFR is increasing. This is a report that is being conducted from the Bangladesh itself. So the reports, all the reports are from the different labs, and this just authenticate that all reports are the improvement in the patient is very genuine, and the creatinine level is gradually declining and the eGFR, estimated GFR, is improving. A problem which is considered to be a progressive disease in nature, a disease which increases by itself and makes the patient go on dialysis or transplant, patient is recovering from that disease, and the creatinine level has came down to 2.89, as you can clearly see in this report. We can proudly say that once again, that the dialysis or transplant is not the ultimate solution to this big problem. We have found a way out and we are proud of that. Stop kidney dialysis.
अगर आप भी किडनी डायलिसिस पर हैं और बचना चाहते हैं इस पेनफुल प्रोसीजर से, तो आप भी डॉक्टर पुनीत धवन से संपर्क कर सकते हैं।
So you saw how Ayurvedic treatment brought a new ray of hope for kidney patients. We provide our patients with the natural herbs that help them heal their kidneys. Our dietitians allocate them a best scheme diet according to their state. Healthy lifestyle modifications like yoga are integrals of our treatment. Karma Ayurveda, the world's leading kidney care institution. If you are a kidney disease patient or anyone you know is a kidney disease patient or kidney stone patient, you can reach us. Our address details are flashing on your screen. For any query, you can anytime call us at our helpline numbers. Our digits are 011 4777 2777. That is 011 4777 2777. In case you have any query, you can leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Do not forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. For more such videos, keep watching our channel. Wear masks and sanitizers before going out because safety comes first. Thank you for watching this video. Our address is G20 NDM1, plot number 2, 3 and 4, opposite NIMS, Netaji Subhash Place, Pitampura, New Delhi, 110034. Our helpline digits are 098 7171 2050 and 011 426 44274. Our address is dr@karmaayurveda.com. For more information, you can visit our website www.karmaayurveda.com.